Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter video. Today I have a really nice layered paper craft for you. This is my He Is Risen layered paper craft. How beautiful is this design? All within that little egg. You have the cross there with the sash, the sunburst in the background, He is risen here on the sentiment, and then some pretty foliage here on the bottom. This project comes together very easily and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scraper, a weeding tool, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. If you're wanting to add some extra dimension between the layers, you could also use some foam squares. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2025. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can find the individual cut file for purchase in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. There's also a link in the description box below. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, which gives you all 12 event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and bonus Easter cut files, there's a link for more information in the description box. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this design to fit within the cutting dimensions of a 12 by 12 cutting mat. So you can see it's a little bit less than 11.5 inches tall. If you're going to be using this on a card or in the shadow box, you can change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the white, cream, pink, purple, blue, light blue, and then brown or burnt orange. You could add foam squares between the layers if you want. Depending on how thick your foam squares are and how thick your cardstock is, you could definitely add enough dimension to make this design a standalone piece that could stand up as table decor or decor for your Easter table. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer these different pieces together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And our layered paper craft is all set. How beautiful is that? Definitely the reason for the season, if you will. Just really, really pretty. What did you think of this paper craft? Really perfect for Easter. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Happy Crafty Easter video. Bye-bye.